Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going on a run tonight and right now it is 10:47. They do meet up at 11 for the run and we do have to buy a ticket to join the drive. It is $5. So let me go on the app. The app is called AutoLink. I'll show you guys the process of buying it. This is the run. Where do they go? Wow, they're letting everyone out. Wow, they blocked off all the entrances. Ooh, there's that cop hiding over there. I'm scared. There's a cop. Oh gosh. There's a cop. He's not going. No one's going. Oh man, the SUBARU is stuck there. Oh, it's not a cop. It's a Hellcat. I thought it was a cop. There is a CHP in front. He got off. They're strict tonight. They're super strict. Teslas, I have a bunch of Teslas are showing up. This is a wild night. So we're at the second spot for the night. They're saying already to leave, so I don't know what's going on, but let's go see like what cars came. Cops already here, and we just got here. Yeah, everyone just got here. Oh, so they're saying that we're going to Garden Grove. We're in Tustin. There's a gang of cars. Corvettes, Beamers, a bunch of Beamers. That one's clean too. Look at the Nismo. That's a Nismo. That one's clean. I wish it was manual. It's 5.0 Mustangs, GTs. Oh, look at the little Porsche. Thing's sick. The Porsche? Oh, look at the TRX. Look at the TRX. Big truck. Hellcats. Oh, it's not a wide body. It has to have a wide body. Should we go to the gas station? Oh, it's because they were telling the police. They just keep following us to every location. It feels good though. Being out, it's not as cold as I thought it'd be. Oh, there's two Type Bars. Is that an actual yellow stock Type Bars? Because those are really expensive. If it's stock, it has to be stock. I wonder if it's stock. I heard the yellow ones are really expensive. I don't know. I can't tell, but it looks good. Okay, so everyone's left, and I'm here all by myself. I gotta walk all the way around because I wanted to show you guys all the cars I got here. Oh my gosh, hurry! Let's go! Can you back up here? Let's go. My shoes are tied. Oh, he's moving! He's moving! I gotta stay right at 50 or under. They'll get you if you're like one over. He's coming. There's no way he's just driving with everyone. Dude, he's just driving with everyone. Dude. He's just coming with us. That's not fair. Wow. Dude, he's just watching where we're going. Oh, he has his lights on. He has his lights on. I can't hear. There's another Cobb. I can't hear. Oh, he's pulling over somebody. He's pulling over, what is that? It's like a Toyota, no? It's like a Camry. Wait, he pulled over a Camry. Out of all cars. Wait, is he even with the meat? I don't think that car's with the meat. I'm so confused. Wait, I'm so confused. It was a Corolla or something. Did he not have his lights on? Or if his plates were expired? But I don't think that car's part of the meet. That's weird. Who is? That is so weird. Wait, why did he pull him over? Wait, where'd they go? Wait, they disappeared. That's weird. Wait, there's a gang of Cobbs. There's so many Cobbs. Why are they here? That's crazy. There's so many Cobbs. Oh, they got them! No way! Oh no! Oh, wait, they got them. That's crazy. Oh, and an SI. They got the SI. No way. Wait, they went after the slowest car. Oh, well, them. Oh, that sucks. That really does suck. Oh man. Dude, those SIs. Look at the Ferrari. It is so sick. Thank you. I didn't know we had to take a right here. My bad. Oh, wow. And the SI got pulled over like quick. The cop's watching. He's watching. There's so many cops out. You can see the cop right there. He's just waiting. Dude, they're being so loud. They're coming. Hi guys, we're at the third location for the night. This has been a crazy night so far. All the cops have been coming with us to all the locations. So this is the first one that we're actually stopped and we can go check out the cars. And there's pretty much a lot of people showing up. So let's see what cars they have. Kind of saw like all the cars that are here. There was a Hellcat that didn't have a wide body, and I was so confused. Okay, I did not think this many people like showed up because I didn't see anybody. Dude, what the heck? Thing is like kitted up.
It's a fellas. I was moving up.
Bunch of beamers out. This one. Oh, the GTR. There's a GTR too. I didn't even see.
Yo.
And there's so many cars pulling up. Oh, this is a GTR. Best. Everyone's still coming in. People that got pulled over. That thing is loud. Man, look at that Porsche. That thing is so sick. I think that's the Camry that got pulled over. He was being super loud, I think. That thing is so nice. So clean. Love the yellow. Oh, yellow too. They overtook like this whole area. I think the spot right before this, I think the spot was too small because there was like nobody there. I thought only like maybe 50 people showed up. Oh, should I grab the light? It's kind of dark over here. Super dark. Oh, there's still like another parking over there. Okay. I think still a lot of cars are over here. Damn, this night was crazy. This night was super crazy. Oh, this one of the Hellcats. Can we go inside? The door's closed. That's not a Hellcat. Oh, this is not the house there either. I think all the other cars are over there. Wow, look at all these freaking beamers. Oh, there's no Shelby. Oh, I like this color. Blue, red. Never go wrong with red. Red, carbon fiber. Oh, he has carbon fiber. And Cadillac. Do you want a Cadillac? I don't know. Dude, they're already making so much noise. They're already making way too much noise. Dude, they're burning the spot. It's the sea. The sea making all oh my gosh, the freaking bee. Oh, look at this bee. The freaking bee is already being super loud. The Honda's TK. That's the Honda's TK. They always have a. This one doesn't have it though. It's pretty clean. Why does the hood look like that? Look at the hood. That's weird. Why does the hood look like that on the Honda SUK? That's cute. What? Oh my gosh, I can't hear right now. That Z was like so loud. I cannot hear.
I'm trying to make you some money. money.
Once the car makes a sound, like everyone starts going towards them. Oh my gosh, I couldn't hear for a second. There's like a noise here and noise there. Oh, that's a new Z2080. Super old school. Oh, where's that Ferrari? Oh, the Ferraris are here. Let's check out the Ferrari. That one's sick. I'm surprised the cops aren't here. And with the red gun and seats. Got some red guts in there. Wow. I'm glad I came. This one was a really crazy meet. I wonder if it's like this here all the time. Probably not. I think this just happened to be this way tonight with all the cops. But I think everyone's leaving. People leaving. They're kind of burning up the spots at Black Wing. So yeah, they're like flying. Okay.
I don't gap it like I do a lot of the records for
This one's huge.
But they said all LS and LP.
Damn, they look good. That one's like big right there. Oh, here's the Z. There's only one Z. Or no, there's two. There's two. Overall, it's pretty quiet now. It was good. It was a good meet. I think a lot of cars did show up. What sucked was like the cops just kept following. Oh, there's like an apple. It's like a red to a black. This might be the last location of the night. Yeah, that. They're already here. I found this really cute. Oh, I found this really cute set at Marshall's. It's all pink with pink shorts, and then I'm wearing some thigh highs. Is it the cops? Because why people are leaving? But yeah, this is my outfit of the night. I'm super warm, and it's kind of cold out, but I'm really warm because it's fuzzy. Oh yeah, the cops are here. The people are leaving. People are leaving. Dang, everybody left quick. Everybody like got in their car and dipped. Okay, so they're all going to the second spot, which is in Corona. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna trampled on. Yeah, so we're going to the last spot, I think. What time is it? It's 12:41, so it's been like a pretty. It hasn't even been that long. Oh yeah, they are here. They're here. Oh heck no! Is he blocking? Why would he block? Why do they keep doing that? That was the end of the night. It was so much fun. I hope you guys had fun watching. And tune in for the next video. Bye guys!